Hello, this is Mary from the St. Charles City County Library. Today I'm going to show you what's in one of our lit kits. This particular one is called Crash Boom Bang. It's recommended for children ages 2 and up. The theme of this kit is vehicles, and it will help kids learn about the concept of imitation. So let's see what's in this kit. Some of the contents may vary slightly depending on which copy of the kit you get. First, we have this cute little dump truck that rolls nice and smooth and will actually dump out whatever you place in it. So along with that, we have this nice set of 9 colorful Infantino blocks. They come in their own plastic container. You will, of course, want to keep this plastic bag up and away from your child. These blocks are the perfect size to fit into the little dump truck, and before you know it, you'll have it loaded up and ready to dump on out. Another thing you can do with this is to pile the blocks up to make a tower, and then to let your child knock them down. Every child finds this to be hilarious. Each of these blocks is made of a soft, squeezable material. When you squeeze them, they make a little squeaking sound. There are 9 different colors, so you can use them to help your child recognize their colors, saying such things as, "Can you put the red block in the dump truck?" Each block also has different images of animals, plants, numbers, and patterns to talk about with your child. Next in the bag, we have a set of touch and feel picture cards made by DK. This particular set is My First Things That Go. Inside are 16 cards with nice colorful pictures. Each card has a small touch and feel aspect to it, like the shiny area on this ambulance or the rough texture on this tractor wheel. The card also has questions on the back that you can ask your child about the picture on the front. There's also an additional card that gives you ideas of how you can use these cards with your child and even how to turn it into a game. This kit has 2 books. Both of them are board books, which are perfect for age 2. They are My First Trucks and Baby Touch and Feel Trucks. Both of them are great books for a little one to just flip through on their own, and also for someone older to point out the words and what they say. This little book here includes the sounds that the truck make. And this is great to get your child to repeat the sounds. They really like that. You can also try matching the pictures from the cards and the 2 books, such as finding the fire truck in all 3 places. Those are just a few ideas. There are more inside the backpack. Give a lit kit a try. It's free, it's fun, and it's at the library.